This video is a hair tutorial. You'll be needing your donut maker, your scissors, crochet pin, T-pin, and the kinky hair you'll be using. So first off, I'll just pin down the donut maker onto my mannequin head first of all. Once you're done with that, next step is to cut your kinky hair. I use the darling kinky hair. I cut mine into 3. Then I went in with my crochet pin. That's what it looks like. So you crochet through the donut maker your kinky hair extension. Just watch as I did it. So basically, you take a piece out from the bunch, you pass your crochet pin through the donut maker and put the kinky extension through that loop, and you secure it. So I hope you understand. Just watch, because you'll be repeating the same process over and over again. You crochet the kinky head through that donut maker, round and round and round.
Overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out.
So this is how I just take a piece out of the bunch, then pass my crochet pin through the donut maker, putting the kinky hair through that, then secure the kinky hair. Or if you want a detailed crochet tutorial, just leave a comment down below.
Staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. Stop, run, stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and it's stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know.
Almost done, just a little bit left from the donut maker, so I'm just going to keep adding the kinky extension till it's all covered up. Getting to this part of the video, please leave a comment, hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, share, comment. Check out my other videos that will be linked in the description and in the cards above. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. So now I'm just trying to cover up what's left in the donut maker so it doesn't look so obvious that it was a donut maker I used. Just keep adding the kinky extension to cover that hole there, basically. So finally done adding the kinky hair, and this is what it looks like. Although it's still a bit messy and it looks rough, you will just fluff it out a bit. Yeah, just fluff it out a bit. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, the Cantu leave-in conditioner to just give it a little bit of shine.
Feeling good, showing up, bling bling. Pay respects to the king, catching, catching. I'll be feeling like a star when I walk in. Numbers playing, but
Then you get your scissors, because now you're going to start trimming the hair to make it look more presentable. So just trim till you're satisfied with how it looks.
enough when I'm marching. Used to be so shy and delicate, but now I own it. I ain't sorry for a damn thing, know that. I was fabulous at birth, I was glowing. Smacked the doctor on the ass, now he wanted. And I can't help that I'm this fly. They wonder why. I am who I am, too glad to give a damn. Captain of the ship, haters they can kiss. Glitter, glitter, I'm just like glitter, I'm just like glitter bombs going up, bang bang. Feeling good, showing up, bling bling. Pay respects to the king, catching. Number one with a chance, ring ring. Be your own biggest fan, gang. Run the world 'cause you king, bang bang. Hear my songs blowing up on your radio. Letting me, here I am, yeah, now you know. Breaking hearts from Miami to Tokyo. And now I'm rolling. I ain't sorry for a damn thing, know that. I'm that glitter in the air, pink with glowing. I'm the picture and the frame.
So done with the trimming part of this video. So this is what it looks afterwards. If you don't like how it looks, you can keep trimming yours, but I'm okay with how the hair looks. So I'm just going to take it off the mannequin head, remove the T-pins I used.
Call me Kodak. I am who I am, too glad to give a damn. Captain of the ship, haters they can kiss.
Finally, this is your 4C kinky hair in a donut maker. Simple, easy to do. You just need your kinky extension, the donut maker, your crochet pin, your scissors, and that's all.
Just like glitter, I'm just like glitter bombs going up, bang. Feeling good, showing up, bling.
I'm going in with my gel and my brush so I can pack my hair up in order to apply the donut maker onto my hair. So just pack your hair up, gel your hair in place to make it look sleek and neat.
Pay respects to the king, catching.
Then I'm just going to braid what's left of my hair, then pin it down using my bobby pins.
Number one with a chance, ring. Be your own biggest fan, gang. Run the world 'cause you king, bang.
The round bit of the donut is where your braided hair is going to be. Then I'll go in with my bobby pins to secure the hair from the front and the back.
I am who I am, too glad to give a damn. Captain of the ship, haters they can kiss. Glitter, I'm just like glitter, I'm just like glitter bombs going up, bang. Feeling good, showing up, bling. Pay respects to the king, catching. Number one with a chance, ring. Be your own biggest fan, gang.
So this is the final look. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Would you be trying this hairdo? What do you think about it? Is it nice? Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Do check out my other videos. See you in my next video. Bye.